like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on with. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see you, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Lex. Today I am here with another slay for ya. Slay for ya. I am giving you carnival vibes. I don't know, I'm just colorful today. In spite of quarantine and being stuck in the house, I just want to be bright today. So this look, it was pretty easy. I mean, we can do it. Let's just do it together. You know, we're just learning and growing and glowing. If you guys want to see how I created this look from top to bottom, continue watching and I will see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell notification, okay? Stay tuned to the end because I got some new exciting news for you guys that I am very excited to share with you. So see you guys next time. Let's get right into the video. Let's go. Okay guys, so I'm taking that blue color and I'm patting it almost in a slanted diagonal angle, and I'm bringing it up towards the arch of the brow bone. So I'm really packing the color on. I love this palette, y'all. If y'all haven't known about the Crayoncase, get into it. Get into it. Now I'm using the same technique and I'm going in with that purple. I'm just patting it in the same direction, and I'm also bringing it closer to my nose, the inner eye. So here you'll see me going back and forth with both colors just to make sure that the two colors blend very well together. Don't forget to blend, guys. So there won't be any harsh lines. I'm going in with this brown color, and I'm just going to add that right under my eyebrow. So now for the cut crease, I'm taking off majority of the inner lid, being sure to keep some of that blue on the eye. And I'm going to use NYX Jumbo White Pencil in Milk. That's going to be my base. So I'm just going to use that. I start off in the inner corner And I want a pretty high crease, so I am going above my natural crease line. Just slow and steady, guys. So just take your time and do this step by step, inch by inch, so y'all can really see that I'm actually going very slow. And then I just blend the product down and tap it in and make sure it's completely down and dried down, because you don't want it to be wet. And I'm using this brush to make to pack on the extra product, and I'm patting it down as well just to make sure it's blended out. I'm taking that green and popping it in the corner of my crease. I'm just blending it out in between the blue and the white. And I'm just really packing on the colors and making sure it's blending very well. Same thing with the orange. I am packing the color in. If you really want your colors to pop, try to find a very like a white base or a very pigmented base. Again, this is NYX Milk Jumbo White Eyeliner. You can get it from Target, Amazon. Very inexpensive. So get you a white base and watch those colors pop. So at this point, I'm going to be going back and forth between the two colors. You don't want your colors to actually be noticed of where the orange starts and where the green stops. So just blend both of them in together. It's glitter time, baby. I had to put some glitter in this look. I'm just going to apply the glitter slightly above my lash line. just into the crease just a little bit, kind of like an arch, if you will. Going in with Silver Beauty in Grease, I'm going to use this for a thick wing eyeliner. The way I do my eyeliner, I always like to start in the middle, drag that product slowly in small strokes, drag it out toward my eyebrow, and then I like to bring it back in toward the eye, just like that. Also, when you're holding your mirror doing your eyeliner, make sure that your mirror is like under your face, so you can actually have your eyes closed and the lid is down, and you'll have a better line. See right here, I have the mirror underneath, so I can literally pull it back in and the eye is closed, and so it'll be a perfect wing liner. Okay, for the majority of the video, I am going to speed it up. This is my normal routine. I always do the highlight and contour method on top of foundation. So yeah, I'm just gonna speed through this. Y'all can watch some of my old videos if y'all want any details on them. Look at my cork lip liner. Oh my goodness, it's been through some things. This look was created by none other than the Mattebook from the Crayoncase. Hot like fire. Remember to watch the entire video so you can hear my exciting news that I have for you guys. This is the final look. I hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, thumbs up this video, and show me some love in the comment box below if you are feeling this look as much as I am. Yes, honey. So I have some really great exciting news for you guys. As I said in the beginning of the video, I started a new channel with my friend Jabria called Beauty and the Beat, and I am slaying her face and she is giving us vocals. So it's a combination of beauty and music. Genius. We have so much fun creating content, and be sure to subscribe to our channel at Beauty and the Beat, BeautyXX The Beat. Follow us on Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook at BeautyXX The Beat. And I will list everything down below. We have so much fun. It's so much fun. Lately, because we are in quarantine, we are doing lives on Instagram, so you can check those out. Be sure to follow both of us on Instagram. So again, Beauty and the Beat, I'll list it down below. If you guys enjoyed this video, again, you know what to do. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Thank you for watching. I'm out.